Well, Lady at River. On the LIDL rod. There you go. Lady at River. Oh. Beautiful. I'll rest it, put it back. Go rest them for a minute with later. Yay! Fish. What's trout, I think? It's chub. Second better fish on the... Well, that's a dace actually, I think. On fly rod. Oh, no. Stay still. He's having a flipping stick. He's having a flick. Oh, stay still. Yeah, baby little dace. Beautiful. There you go. I make it look easy. Babby little chub. £30 rod. He's gorgeous. Look at that. On worm. Come back in. There you go. There you go. Right, we've come down to the river. And I'm picking somebody else's rubbish up. It's a disgrace, absolute disgrace how people leave stuff. There's some signal crayfish here that are dead. I'll move that a minute because I know what's under that. That is disgusting. Why would you do that? And some dead signal crayfish. Well done to people who got rid of them. But that's human, that is. Disgusting. Won't you be ashamed of yourselves? Look at rubbish. Sorry, I'll take it home for you. So I'm taking your rubbish home. Whoever got it before I did. That's a disgrace. That is just... Why do you do it? Do you know what I mean? You brought it here, take it back. Don't even weigh out when you're taking it back, because you've drunk it. You've drunk it. That's alcohol. Adults should know better at your age. Right there, fishing buddies, right, I've come try this £30 LIDL rod out, and I've not done much fly fishing, so I'm not going to fly fish with it. I'm actually using a stick float, so I'm going to try it out and do a test. I'll put it all together where it says on instructions. You've never fly fished before, you've got to learn some new knots and stuff. So I've done all that, set it all up, ready. I'm using a little stick float. I've set this rod up and I've got my other stick float rod ready. And I want River Dearne, I'm going to try River Dearne. So I'm going to try and put it through its test and try it out. So without further ado, take care and see if we catch some fish. Take care all.
I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Right, so I've had about 10-15 minutes into river. I've noticed this tangles up. There's quite a lot of backing line and this yellow, I don't even know what to call it, so like I said, I don't do fly fishing, but it's tangling up quite a lot. Now, I don't think I'm supposed to use this rod for stick float fishing, but I thought I'd give it a go. And I'm struggling a bit, if I'm honest. Missing loads of bites, and like I said, I'm learning rod and reel, so I'm feeding it. It's hard to try and keep it like I would with my normal rod, which I'll show you in a minute. And it's just hard, it's really hard to use. Is it worth value for money? I'd say yeah, if you're getting started into something, try it fly fishing. Like someone tried catching a pike on it, catching a carp on it. It's worth 30 quid. You get nice cut handle, nice reel, it's actually got drag and everything on it. And gives it all instructions, set it up, carry all the old case, everything that you need. Just wanted to go out river for a few hours, yeah, well worth £30. But like I say, I am actually struggling with this. As I'm bringing it out and trying to trot it, you can see there, look, it's pulled behind. I'm struggling with that, but I'm trying different ways of mending the line and stuff. So we'll keep at it, see if we can get a better fish. I want to have a go with my normal rod, 13-foot rod. See if it's any different, and get back to you. pause. Hey, about 10 foot deep there. Still one with maggots. Maggots. I mean, best pose. That is great, dude. I'm stuck. Don't try this at home. Come on, man, you've got to see it laugh. Can I just say something? That's deep there. There you go. We'll have a little dace. Don't put him back in. There he goes.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
You know what I'm going to do? When? Thousands of little minnows, you can see it. There you go. Little chublet. Yes, I brought my 13-foot match rod just to prove a point. And first trot down, tiny little chub. I'm hitting every bite now, missing bites. Beautiful, beautiful little chub. Gorgeous. And he goes. So I'm fishing with a stick float. Usual shotting pattern what I use in my reel. And a lot easier for this rod. So I'll trot a few trots down with this, but I'm going to go back to using the dreaded fly rod. So I'm just feeding line. Like I said, I've tried my stick float rod and it trots down perfect. With this it's a bit harder. But it's not meant for stick float fishing. Plenty of little minnows. I'll kill a few crayfish. Seems to be alright once you look into fish. It's on strike that I'm struggling. Struggling on strike every time. If I use my stick float rod, I'd have hooked into that, or I come and let it trot down. As you strike, your line goes in a bow. Like I say, it's not bad for money. I'm not even reeling it in, just pulling back my line. You can see there, look. Bring my line from the first eye up, from the reel. And just let it trot down, and I'm holding it. Just waiting to hook into a decent sized trout or something. Or grayling, or a nice chub. If I don't get a big fish in it, what I'll do is take it carp fishing or piking. Just don't feel long enough rod, and it feels really wobbly. Missed another bite. Just keep missing bites. Don't feel like there's enough action in rod to hook into fish. No. Plenty of float down. Yeah, it don't seem to be running through the eyes very well. I am going to get it to go fly fishing. Obviously when you're fly fishing, you're retrieving your fly. Plenty of little flies on top. There's nothing coming up. No. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back onto my normal rod. I've managed to get this wet as well, which made it easy. Plus, drop my camera in water, as I always do. So I've got some stuff to dry out, so I'm going to have another an hour. But like I say, well worth £30. Just getting into fishing. It's actually got a drag on here. Needs drying out. Lovely cork handle. Sits nice in hand. Just the end of rod. It's really flimsy. It's bounces about a lot. And it's not particularly what I like, but each to their own. And here he is, sports fans. Here he is. Kev just started do me. That rod's proper wanging. Get a smile on face. He's a clonker, mate. He's a clonker. Well, Kev, what do you think to fly rods, pal?
I think they're alright.
Well, Kev just thought he'd do me, and that's the biggest carp I've ever seen come out of this lake. Oh, hold on, Kev. Look at the size of that, mate. Hold on, pal, I'll take a picture. Well done, mucker. That's got to be 15, 16 pound easy. Well done, mate.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson.